Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. First, let's open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. After that, click to the volume section, and just to change ringtone volume, you should hold and swipe to the left and to the right side with your finger. Also, we can make it by press to the volume buttons on the right side of our phone, but first be sure that this switcher is turned off. And now just by press up or down volume button, we can change the ringtone volume, and we can also swipe to the up or to the down this volume panel with our finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.